Anthropic makes one of the most powerful AI models on the planet. But if you use Linux, you cannot even download their desktop app. A post calling them out just hit the top of Hacker News with hundreds of upvotes, and the response from Anthropic was silence. Here is what is actually going on. The situation is pretty simple. Anthropic ships Claude desktop for Mac and Windows. Linux users get nothing. No installer, no package, no app image, zero. And Linux is not a niche platform anymore. It powers most of the world's servers, most AI development machines, and a huge chunk of the developer community that Anthropic is literally trying to sell to. These are exactly the people who would use Claude the most. The Hacker News thread exploded because developers are frustrated. They are building on top of Claude's API every single day, but they cannot get a native desktop experience on their own machines. That is a strange gap for a company positioning itself as the developer-friendly AI lab. So why does this gap exist? The honest answer is resources and prioritization. Building and maintaining a Linux desktop app means dealing with dozens of distros, package managers, and dependency headaches. Electron apps on Linux are notoriously finicky. It is not zero effort. But here is the thing, that excuse is wearing thin. Competitors like Cursor and Windsurf ship Linux builds without drama. Open source tools like Alma run flawlessly on Linux. The bar has already been set. What this really reveals is something bigger. The AI lab race has been so focused on models and benchmarks that the actual software experience, the stuff regular people and developers touch every day, is being treated as an afterthought. Anthropic is not alone in this, but they are feeling the heat today. The community's message is clear. If you want developers to trust your platform, you have to show up on their platform first. This is a fixable problem, and Anthropic knows it. If you want the biggest AI stories every week without having to search, subscribe. I drop these every single day. Also, if you want to make your own professional AI voiceovers like the one in this video, try 11 Labs for free, https://try11labs.io/emfhbfp3yumn, it is what I use. Want to actually grow your YouTube channel? vidIQ gives you the keywords and analytics to do it, https://vdq.com/amaster, free to start. And if you want to go deeper on AI, books, courses, tools, check out what is on Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/tag=01210521-20. I will see you in the next one.